So the question is, what is the beautiful lie you were told growing up about what it means to be a black man or a black woman? A lot of people don't want to believe that your parents may have lied to you, may have projected onto you, may have basically sold you a false narrative about what it means and what you have to do as a black man or a black woman in this country. Right? They gave you this narrative, passed down some traumas, passed down some fear, right? And they shaped and molded you indirectly and directly to where how you view the world, unless you've done the work on yourself, is slightly based on what you were told growing up, along with what you were socialized to believe with your surroundings. One of our members said, our followers said, one of the beautiful lies she was told was to be strong, independent, and don't depend on anyone.
I don't need you. I don't need you.
Okay.
I'm like,
Okay.
I want you. That's the difference.
Oh, see, that's the thing. Here you go.
I want you.
I don't need you. I want you. Okay.
We need each other, though.
Be strong, be independent, and don't depend on anyone has always failed the black woman, period. It's always failed the black woman.
We've talked a lot about, we need to have this conversation about codependency versus interdependent. Because when you're in a relationship, there's interdependence on each other, right? And there's a difference between codependency. It's so funny to me. It's always like one end of the spectrum. There's a happy medium in there. Right. Interdependence is that happy medium.
One of the beautiful lies that black men are told is you can't have feelings. You got to be strong. Isn't it funny how black men and black women were both told you got to be strong and separate yourself from your feelings? That's what we were told in our community by our mothers, our fathers, our uncles and aunties or grandmas, whoever raised us. If they were toxic, they gave you that black boys don't cry. You don't cry. You stop. You toughen up. I'm like, ma'am, he is 4. He's gonna cry.
It was a 2-year-old little boy, and he was crying for something. I don't remember what. And he punched him in the chest hard. That was not funny.
It's not funny, but it's
real.
Yeah,
it's real. It happened, and it broke my heart. But he punched him, told him to stop being a bitch ass nigga, and I'm like, why would you say that to a 2-year-old? So you are socializing him to believe. Even then, I'm not safe. Even telling you as my father, my uncle, my mother, I'm not safe. My emotions are not safe. So as an adult, why then?
Right.
Why then would they be safe with anybody else?
Why would they trust, especially another dude that's supposed to be their partner? Another woman who's actually trying to facilitate a healthy, safe environment for that black man to be safe? Because that's what they've been indoctrinated to believe. Then, watch this, when they launch into adulthood and they get out here among other people who do not think like them, now those same kids who are young adults and teens are looking at everybody else in the rest of the world like they're a problem.
Because they don't know how to acclimate. They don't know how to get their footing. They don't know themselves. They don't know.
Right.